Hi and welcome to another video. First of all, this is my newly opened YouTube channel. Go and hit the subscribe button on it and show some support. Make sure you hit a subscribe button on it and then come back to watch the video and understand the concept if you really in trading. What is in this video? I am going to teach you buddies a smart trading strategy. What is smart trading? It's available on Deriv official platform. You guys can access from there. This is a smart trader. Okay, you may go to. Let's get started to the explanation. Today we are going to work on an index strategy which is going to help us to achieve daily basis 1 to 5%, no more than this. Here you guys can see as my balance is 37,615. So right now my 1% is almost $370. How I'm going to achieve with less risk? Let's get started to the video. First of all, I will go to the hour under. What is the strategy? Here the digit state which you guys can see. This is the main thing to focus. Stake choose any. I will take only 1% risk of my capital, which is 300. So 300 divided on 10. So I'm going to take a trade with $60. So right now the duration will be 1, and let's move to the idea to get the signal. Must go for an faster index, any fast index which will be faster, furious. V50 index, it's much faster. Here you guys can see, focus there. Once the last number is less than 5, then it's time to open. This is 5. After 5, if again a number appear less than 5, then you go for digit hour. If 5 appear and next number lower than, look, 557. No, let's wait for. Look here, 56. Once a 5 will appear and a lower number, we will go for digit hour. This is the, look here, 5 appear, 9 appear. Once 5 appear and next number lower than 5, then we will input our trade for digit hour. This is the strategy. Look here, 5 is appeared, a lower number is appeared, and we are in profit immediately. Now let's wait for another signal. We must focus there. 5 appeared, 6 appeared. This is the actual strategy which help us to achieve daily basis 1% from market. No more than 1%. Please don't take high risks. You can't. Look here, 5 appeared, 0 appears, immediately, no delay. Again 1. So this is actually the strategy which is going to help. Look here, 5 appear, 6 appear. Focus there. 5 appear, 7 appear. Five appear immediately. 5 appear, 1 appear, immediately go for trade. Look here, third trade, we won. I am in $18 plus. So this is the strategy, guys, to make daily basis 1% using this strategy. Straightforward. Look here, 5 appear, 2 appear, then 4 appear. So this is the strategy how we can achieve consistent profit daily basis using this. Hopefully you guys understood the concept what I want to tell you. Like the video, share with others so they also gain the knowledge and make money. Thanks for watching.